So in this question, we're asked to find delta K, or the change in the kinetic energy in this case. But in this case, we see that the velocity is constant and the acceleration is 0. So that means that the work is 0 and the delta K, or the change in the kinetic energy, is also 0 because there's no change in the velocity. Now in this case, we have that a man is pushing this box up 2 meters. So we want to see what the work done by the man is. So the work done by the man is negative work upwards. And it's negative because we said that the work was 0, so there's no change in the kinetic energy. So it's negative because he's going opposite of mg, which mg is going this way. So that means that if it's going up, then it's negative work. Now we're asked to see what the work done by the weight is. So the box is moving up by 2 meters. mg is this way. So the work done by the weight is positive, but the work is 0 because, as we said before, the velocity is constant and acceleration is 0, so that means that the work is 0. But since the work done by the weight is not positive because mg is going down, the work done by the weight would be positive if the box was going from, let's say, 4 meters down to 0. So this is when the work would be positive because you're going in the direction of the force. But in this case, the work is 0 because you're going up, and it would be like negative force.